All right, so this is 1 week since my surgery. I'm out on a beautiful walk on a spring day, and a lot of things I want to share on this video for myself, and if you run across these videos for yourself or a family member or a friend, great. These are some big milestones for me. One, I slept in my bed last night again, upright, with pillows and stuff. I talked about the different video, and I think I had 5 hours of sleep, which is great. And then I got up, had to stretch, hydrate, take some more pain meds. I'm off the serious pain meds since Friday, and now I'm just doing Tylenol, which is a painkiller over the counter, and Aleve, which is an anti-inflammatory over the counter. And I'm doing those every 8 hours, and they're helping quite a bit. The other thing that's amazing is that I had a PT appointment again today, my second one, and my range of motion is where I'm supposed to be at, I think in week 2 to 4. So things are looking good. I just have to keep doing what I'm doing, keeping this to heal, but it's also to get it out and loosen it and do your PT or physical therapy. So there's a fine line between both. And I just have to keep doing that because you don't want to get what's called frozen shoulder. So those are kind of the big things I want to say on week 1. I'm going to put these out every week now for myself. And if you run across them and they're helping you or a family member or a friend, great. But my goal is to kind of document this journey because it is a year-long journey when you have the kind of shoulder surgery that I had, as I talk about in separate videos. And it's just for me to look back and to kind of remind myself where I was and where I'm going. Because my goal is to get back on my snowboard and carve like I was when I learned this year, and my kayak and my bike and all the active things that I like to do. So that's the main goal. And hopefully a year from Mother's Day, that's when I kind of had my surgery, I am back to being the Anne that I remember. Right now I just have to be a different Anne that takes a lot of walks with this on, okay? But you got to kind of find your happiness and joy where you can. So my motto is be patient and stay positive. I'm going to keep saying that to myself, and if you run across these videos, I hope you say that to yourself. The other thing is my daughter made this bracelet that I'm going to wear probably every day I can for a year that just says be happy, and just to kind of remind yourself that you have to choose to be happy. Happiness doesn't choose you. You have to make it yourself. All right, so good luck. I will see you in a week if you're watching these. Otherwise, I will see myself back in a week when I tell you what happened in week 2.